So, good morning. Try natin yung 8 login system. Yan, run natin. Yan, lagay natin username, password. As you can see, is invalid kasi hindi pa tayo nag-register. Then, mag-register muna tayo. Then, click register. Yan, registration successful. Lagyan na natin username, login. Yan. As you can see, is login successful na. Then, ayan yung natin, login system. Yun lang, thank you.